The estimated cost of the damage from Hurricane Ian expected to reach now into the tens of billions of dollars. And Florida's already stressed insurance industry will be bearing the brunt of that. WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Stesny joining us here in studio now with more on what this is really going to mean for all of us. It sounds like it will have a big impact. Matt.
Big impact indeed, Shannon. You know, this year alone, Florida lost 6 insurance companies when they simply ran out of money. And that was before the hurricane season even started. Now, with Ian predicted to be the second costliest storm in U.S. history, many insurance experts say a lot of companies in Florida could be pushed to the brink. As many as 27 insurers are already on a state financial watch list. Robert Norberg tells us that this storm, those companies will be backed by the state to pay their claims. But after that, it could get dicey for policyholders statewide.
In the initial impact, even if you didn't have a claim, it's going to take a toll on the carriers that are still in business, and it depends on how much they have to pay. And then again, it all pushes towards the numbers growing in Citizens even more. If they can't get standard market companies, they're going to have to go to Citizens.
Citizens, indeed. That's the insurer of last resort, as we all know, but it is also now the dominant insurer in Florida, over 1 million policies and growing. Also compounding this problem, insurance experts say Ian is likely to drive up costs not just by the large claims, but also the rising cost for reinsurance, which is basically the insurance that the insurance companies buy.
Wow. And so at a time that's already crippling just to get to the grocery store and fill our gas tanks, we will be seeing rates go up significantly in our next re-up, right?
It's almost guaranteed.
Right, of course. This is unbelievable. So to unpack another topic that Matt and I have been kind of debating, because this is what everybody's talking about now. The governor mentioned this in one of his EOC briefings, his concern for the lack of flood insurance policies that are written and that Floridians are carrying. This is an issue. It's coming to light again.
It is a big issue, and it's expected to be a large bulk of the claims coming from the west coast of Florida, as much as $20 billion in claims on flood insurance alone. And the reality is, a wide majority of Floridians do not carry flood insurance. Experts say it is not just about living near the ocean or the Gulf. We all live near canals, we all live near lakes, and there are storm drains anywhere. Flood insurance is the one policy all Florida homeowners should take a serious look at.
That is an interesting topic. For years, I covered the consumer beat here. You know that, Matt, years ago when we worked together, when I first started here. And the problem with that, and what so many Floridians will say, is when I go to file my claim, every time flood will tell me, well, it was wind. When a hurricane hits, the wind drove in the water. And so it's been that debate, and I think a lot of Floridians backed off buying flood over the years.
It's a back and forth with the insurance companies that still continues to this day.
Absolutely. More at 6 on this. Interesting debate. So many people talking about it, and such an important topic we cover.